G'day guys, welcome back. How are we? Sahara Gold. Today we're going to start on 2 cent, $3 bets, $7.70 for the major, $100 minor, $20 mini. 3 of these gets us the free spins. Oh no, it doesn't. 3 of them gets us a choice, left or right, where you can get hold and spin or free spins with extra wilds. Sahara Gold has always been a really hard one to crack. If you can get the free spins with 200 wilds, you're pretty much in for a good ride. Come on, way close. Come on, come on. Oh. So close, yet so far. This time, yes. All right. Now we've got the choice. Left or right? Left or right? Let's go left. 9 and 100. That's not bad. That's not bad. Retrigger. Oh, I think that's another 9. Don't quote me, but I think that's another 9. Hey, come on. All right, that's a good start. $9 a line. 66. Come on, come on. Oh, I thought we had the full screen. We're at 94. Halfway there, let's go. Come on, 8 spins left. Let's get this full screen, eh? Oh, it's not coming, come on. Oh, a few 9s. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Few 9. Oh, 129. 2 more. Go, 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 go. Yes, we nailed it. We nailed it. We nailed it. Oh, it's been a while since we had a coin show. Been been a while since we had a coin show. Let's just soak this up for a little bit, eh, before I push the button. Couple of hundred. 246. Oh, look at that. Look at that. $375 bonus on a $3 bet. You ripper. You little ripper. Alright, I'm going to play this down to 300. Then we're going to do a runner. Now, if you watched my video where I played Tiki Fire, a lady came up to me, asked to borrow $5. The poor lady has a big problem. Huge gambling problem. She's walking around asking everybody for money, picking up all the tickets, running straight back to the machine and putting it all in. It's not good to see. Not good to see. Oh, we're getting close with the coins. $100 miner. I think it is highly unlikely that we're going to get those again, especially after getting a re-trigger. Is that enough? No, it's not. Alright, I'm going to take my 300 and I'm going to put 100 and something else. I will be back in a minute. Alright, I've left Sahara Gold, come to high stakes. See how we go. I'm going to continue on our $3 bets. Close. So 3 briefcases or 6 chips. Not an overly big fan of the free spins in this one. Has the big square in the middle. I'm not being persistent. I'm not feeling that. Let's try 5 cents. So $50 mini, $250 minor. You rotten thing. Have a look at that. Unbelievable. few cards for $5. Come on, come on. $0.50. $5.40. Well, they pay all right. It's not really doing anything, is it? We'll try 10 cents. One off. $10 for the Royal Flush. Oh, two again. Last one. No, one more. Last one. What are we going to do? Oh, look, I might give it 50 more at 1 cent denom. Alright, I've dropped 50 in. $5 bet, first spin. Shouldn't count my money yet. Some nice numbers there, but to start with. I apologise for that glare. Oh, $10 mini. Saw a $100 one fly around there. Keep seeing that $100 one. Come on, drop it. Yeah, you good thing. You good thing. Last one. How's that? It's beautiful, that's what it is. $205. What we put in here? $150. Alright, I'm going to go down to the 200 we just won. Cash that out for a nice bit of profit. Oh, lucky I whacked the 50 in, eh? Ho, 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 ho. Ah. It's another 100. Two more spins. Save it, please. Wait, no complaints. we're leaving with 300. I will take another one. $3.50. Oh, $4. Oh, we're going again. We're going again. 4 minis. Dare I say there's no $5 up there. Hang on 2 secs. I thought it was my camera, but I think it's just the glare. Five minis. 6 minis. Last one, hit something. No. Oh dear. What do we do now? I think we might leave with 400. Oh, am I getting off a hot machine? No. No, no. Collect. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was a terrible sound. I think Sahara Gold and high stakes. Finally a little bit of profit. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around. See you again shortly with another one.